lined up. Just flip. Here's my son who has never flown a drone in his life. He's going to fly it. I'm sure it's going to go great.
How do I turn it?
He's doing it. Yeah, look at that. You're spinning it, and then you push the right stick forward.
Adios.
There you go. He's doing it. First time ever.
I'm going to come hit John with it.
Okay.
It's coming back.
Look at you go, man. Never flown a drone before. He's nailing it. That's how stable this thing is. Very nice. You're doing better than I was. Never flown before. Yeah. What's how to land it? You ease the left stick. Let's see, the lights are blinking at you now. We're about out of battery. So just ease the left stick down. And it shuts itself off. There you go. Good. Very nice. Okay, we're low on battery power, but my other son, much younger son's now going to try to fly it. He has limited drone experience. He has another drone. He's doing it too. Look at him. Pretty awesome. Get the white props pointed at you, then you push the right stick forward to come back to you. What are you hitting over there? Don't do it, man. It doesn't have enough battery power left. It says it does it better at
full battery.
Yeah, full battery. So. Nice. Very nice. Good job.